of them.
Yes, sir.
All right, elves, I need to talk to you about your work ethic. It's Christmas Eve and you haven't so much as wrapped the present. Were there 3 of you guys? Where's the last one gone?
She's a little incapacitated, Mr. Sir Frosty. The drop in temperature you ordered has frozen Jingle solid.
Sounds fishy to me. Penguin, go find her.
See what I mean? She's frozen solid.
We can't even move her. We're worried she might break. That's why they have to roll around like this. Just get back to work, okay? I'll handle Jingles later.
Reindeer team check. Rudolph.
Rudolph.
Dasher.
Dasher.
Dancer.
Dancer.
Comet.
Comet.
And Blitzen.
Listen.
All reindeers present and accounted for.
Why is it so cold in here?
Hey, Santa, do you like the renovation I made?
Yeah, we're back. What is up with this mess? What happened to my workshop?
I kept this place running while you were away. The lower temperature has improved production. Oh my mistletoe! Jingles! What happened?
Well, our friend here decided to turn this place into his own ice palace.
What? You were away and I was handling things.
No one left you in charge.
Let's calm down here. Let's figure out how we're going to fix the situation. How are we raising the temperature back to normal?
I know. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey!
It's colder than before.
I know why it's not working. Blitzen's not singing.
Blitzen!
Kale, sing.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey!
Son of a candy cane!
Oh.
It's still not working!
Christmas is ruined! Penguins!
You guys, what is this?
Good question.
H-O-T. Okay, what does that say?
Oh, H-O-T.
Hot.
Just
I'll never bother me.
Wow. Enlightenment.
What about me? Oh
And that is why you live outside. You too, Penguin.
no! Alright, everyone, we gotta move, or we're gonna miss the kids at the last stop, Vancouver! Local crew, mob crew, repack crew, move!
fully charged. 95% joy, 5% pure chaos.
Perfect.
Everyone, gather around. You've all worked so hard, I'm proud of all of you. Every name check, every gift pack, Christmas runs on your heart. Delivery teams, position. On Dasher, on Dancer, and Conquer. Let's go to the world.
My face, everyone. The cocoa and the ball. We'll bring it for you guys to the house. Come on,
And to all the good flight!
It's only been Theater Company 12. This is the first time Theater Company 11 has been involved in the play, and Theater Company 12 wrote it. Theater Company 11 was just a great part of this too. So I'm really proud of all you guys. Well done. All right. This is one of my favorite times in the show. It's our final number. This is when we get to bring all our grads back up. Come on, grads. This is all about family. We want them all back up here. Come on. This is a song we've sung since the 90s. It's called Go Tell It on the Mountain. They all know the choreography. They all know how to do this. that time of year for gratitude, and Mrs. Short and I have a lot of gratitude. First of all,